Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from April's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Sweet Treats. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Terre de Mars 008 Reddition Body Cleanser, Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow, Natasha Denona Ayana Eyeshadow Palette, and the Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's go ahead and create a look with some of the products we received. First, let's prime with the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. I actually already have this primer and love it. It has a really unique cooling effect and leaves the skin looking silky smooth and surprisingly blurs the pores quite a bit as well. Now let's try out the Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow. This is in the shade Champagne Rich and it retails for $38, making it the second most expensive product in the box, behind the Natasha Denona palette. I like to use luminizers underneath my foundations to give a lovely glow from within effect to the skin. This one is looking really nice. I'm looking dewy, which is what we want. So now I'm just going to apply my foundation and brows off camera really quickly, and then I'll be right back to test out the rest of the products. Now that we've done that, it's time to try the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette. First, I'm picking up the darkest shade in the palette called Lash Line. I'm using a piece of tape as my guideline and applying this right against the piece of tape in my outer corner. And I'm also applying this to my inner corner and creating a halo look today. I'm also applying this to my lower lash line. Next, I'm grabbing the shade called Crease. I'm using this to blend out the shade we just applied. Finally, I'm using my finger to apply the shimmer shade called Satin Skin. I'm applying this to the center of the eyelid. It's not as shimmery as I thought it was going to be, and I'm not really a big fan of the color scheme on this palette. It's just too cool toned for my liking. Finally, let's apply the Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. Wow, it's so cool looking. It's like a mermaid print with a curved bullet shape. How awesome is that? That's such a unique shade. This is Broadway Glitz, which is a metallic formula. The curved shape is really good for this part right here. It looks so cool now that I have it on. Here's the finished look using products from April's Boxycharm. Let me know what you thought of this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.